Hi friends, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing a buzzing little cutie kawaii bee that's sweet, smiley, and full of charm. This step-by-step tutorial is perfect for anyone who loves cute animals and fun, simple drawings. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our adorable art tutorials. And here's a fun question for the comments. If you could create your own magical insect, what would it look like and what would it do? We'd love to hear your creative ideas. Let's get buzzing and start drawing. Fantastic job, artists! Your kawaii bee looks super sweet and totally adorable. Thanks so much for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other fun and easy kawaii drawings. There's a whole hive of creativity waiting for you. Stay creative, keep buzzing with ideas, and we'll see you in the next video.